Good day! I'm Dennis Plaganas and I'm here to discuss the basic configuration setup of our operating system. This is done right after we installed our operating system, which is the Microsoft Windows XP. First, we need to go to the control panel. The control panel houses all the applications that controls the basic to advanced function of our computer system. Just remember, class, to follow the yellow circle. For the sake of our lecture, we're going to use the user account that we just created during the installation process. We're going to change the password or create a password for our user account. Double click the user account and choose the computer account or the user account that we just created earlier and create a password. Oops. There you go. Next, let us change the display properties. Double click the display icon and change the wallpaper of our desktop. Choose one among the list of possible images and change its position. Next, we're going to create a screensaver, which is also has a security features, and change the power scheme to manage the power saving energy of our computer. Lastly, we're going to set the settings of our computer system. We're going to change the screen resolution of our desktop. The default screen resolution is 800 by 600 pixels per wide. For the sake of our lecture, we're going to choose the highest resolution with a color quality of 32-bit. So that's it for today. Next meeting, we're going to discuss the configuration of computer name and the work group. Thank you, class, and good day.